If you've forgotten your Chime password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device or visit the Chime website on your computer. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Chime account. This is necessary for Chime to verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a password reset link sent to your email or a verification code sent via SMS. Follow the instructions provided in the message. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the verification code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Chime account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime customer support for further assistance.